A tornado warning has been issued in Maryland, prompting immediate concern for residents in the affected areas. This comes as the northern plains also face an increasing threat of severe weather, including strong winds, hail, and possible tornadoes. Authorities are urging residents in Maryland to seek shelter immediately, as radar has indicated rotation and potentially dangerous conditions. Meanwhile, storm chasers and meteorologists are tracking the outbreak live, warning of a widespread severe weather event throughout the day. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor the situation live, providing real-time updates and safety alerts. If you're in a warning area, take this seriously and stay safe.